Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to be talking about the Timemore Crystal Eye coffee dripper. This flat-bottom brewer has been getting some buzz, and I can't wait to share my thoughts and experiences with you. The Timemore dripper comes in a sleek box with about 10 filters. It is compatible with Kalita Wave's 155 flat-bottom filter. This dripper is made from Triton, which is a safe material used in many food contact products. It is quite thick, feels surprisingly solid, and almost glass-like. It's available in two colors, dark amber and clear transparent. I have the clear one, which looks stunning. However, I'm afraid it can stain easily if not cleaned thoroughly after each use, so the dark amber might be more practical for daily use. Now, let's talk design. The dripper was co-developed with Li Jinglong, the third-place winner at the China Brewers Cup, ensuring a professional touch. It has a flat bottom with a large opening for a fast drip rate, unlike traditional flat bottom drippers like the Kalita Wave, which only have a few holes. The walls have 20 ribs to hold the filter in place, which reminds me of the origami dripper I previously reviewed. The edge of the filter paper fits perfectly in each groove. However, the Timemore dripper is slanted at a 75-degree angle to promote a faster flow. Time for a brewing test. Let's brew some natural processed Ethiopian Yirgacheffe, known for its lighter body, sweetness, and vibrant acidity. I used 13 clicks on my Timemore Chestnut X-Lite. Due to the fast drip rate, the grind is slightly finer than what I would use with a cone-shaped filter like the Hario V60. I used 13 grams of coffee and used 200 grams of water heated to 92 degrees Celsius. Here's my preferred recipe for this dripper. Start with 13 grams of coffee. Begin with a bloom by pouring 40 grams of water and letting it sit for 30 seconds. Then, pour water up to 120 grams in a circular motion with your second pour. Finally, pour in the center until you reach 200 grams. The total brew time should be about 2 minutes and 10 seconds. The result is very sweet. This cup is a bit more tea-like, but the acidity is quite balanced. The fast drip rate and flat bottom design really enhance the clarity and flavor of light roasted beans. I think many pour-over lovers tend to pour too carefully and slowly, which can result in a more bitter cup that mutes the coffee's flavors. Timemore also offers a water dropper that fits perfectly on top of this dripper. It has some small holes at the bottom to control the drip rate to 3.5 grams per second consistently. All you need to do is fill it to the 200 milliliters line and let it finish dripping. The coffee also tastes really good without requiring advanced pouring skills. Even if you're just starting out, this dripper makes it easy to avoid over-extraction. As long as you get the grind size right, it's hard to get a bad cup of coffee in my testings. To wrap things up, I have to say, I really like this pour-over dripper. It's durable, well-designed, looks nice. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish flat-bottom dripper, this Timemore dripper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, and if you've tried the Timemore dripper yourself. Stay tuned for more coffee reviews and tips. Until next time, happy brewing!